A Tilbury, an essential for any female witch's arsenal. So you'd like to make a Tilbury. These are the things you'll need. Wool, stolen from the back of a neighbor's sheep. A rib stolen from a church graveyard on the day of Pentecost. 3 weeks of blaspheming a church. A nice deep cut on your inner thigh. The desire to drink milk that's been vomited from a demon's belly. The desire to take care of and nurse said demon child. So let's get started. Wrap the stolen wool around a rib and nestle it between your breasts and keep it there for 3 weeks. Traditionally, Icelandic magic was practiced almost solely by men. This particular spell supposedly can only be carried out by a woman, though. Take that, Steve. Now it's time to cook this thing. Attend a church each Sunday and partake of the sacramental wine. But instead of swallowing it, spit it into your little bosom buddy. Each time you do this, it'll be a little more alive. Each time developing a face only a mother of a demon could love. After 3 weeks, it's time to take the little booger out of the proverbial oven. I might recommend a bath afterward. P.U. Now it's time to feed your Tilbury. Make a deep puncture wound in your inner thigh. Be careful not to hit an artery. It's going to form a teat on your leg. This will make the Tilbury big and strong, or more like gross and long. Now it's time to make your not-so-little demon child work for you. Send it out to your neighbor's farms to steal the milk from the goats, sheep, and cows. It does this by jumping on the back and reaching down to suckle all of the milk out of the teat. Your Tilbury will return home, and before vomiting the stolen milk into a receptacle of your choosing, it will shout in a horrifying voice, "Turn off, Mommy. Tilbury." Yikes! When your Tilbury becomes too much, as they often do, just tell it to gather up all of the sheep shit in this land. It'll try hard but die of a broken heart from not being able to suckle on the thigh nipple. But that's quite a bit of work. Maybe just stick with the grocery store. Like and subscribe for more oddities.